Ever wonder why an éclair never bursts when filled? It all comes down to the gold standard of pastry cream, which balances richness with structural strength. Let's start by defining what makes this filling unique. Unlike simple whipped cream that melts instantly, pastry cream is a thicker version of custard cooked until it reaches a stable consistency. This stability is crucial because the filling acts as a barrier. By holding its shape well inside the shell, it prevents moisture from seeping through and making the crispy exterior soggy. Beyond just protection, the filling offers a rich, velvety texture that perfectly complements the crunchy shell. This delightful mouthfeel is essential for the classic enjoyment of eating an éclair. Historically, bakers pushed this concept further by creating diplomat cream. This innovation combines the thick pastry cream with whipped cream to create a light, airy filling that is both rich and refreshing. When you fill an éclair correctly without bursting the shell, you achieve a perfect temperature contrast. The warm, custardy center contrasts beautifully against the cool, crisp pastry waiting to be bitten. Ultimately, pastry cream is the gold standard because it delivers a smooth flavor profile while maintaining the structural integrity needed to keep your dessert fresh and delicious for hours. Now that you know the secrets of the perfect fill, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite flavor variation? Into dessert science.